Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson, I will explain glossary and paragraph comprehension of textbook Unit 4. These are the glossaries that you will write in your notebook with their English meanings. The words are brilliant, invention, amazing, activities, forecast, carry out, manually, multiple, accuracy, enormous, software, prototype, transistor, innovation, handier, navigation. Don't write its Urdu meaning, write English meaning for these words. Brilliant, शानदार, मुतासिर करने वाला, काबिल, extremely clever or impressive, invention, ईजाद, a thing or idea that has been invented, amazing, हैरान कुन, very surprising, especially in a way that makes one full of pleasure, activities, सरगर्मियाँ, situation in which something is happening or a lot of things are being done, forecast, पेशबंदी करना, a statement about what will happen in future based on information that is available now, carry out, मुकम्मल करना, to put into execution, complete a task, manually, दस्ती तौर पर या हाथ से, by hand rather than a machine, multiple, कसीरुल अनासिर, कसीर more than one, accuracy, सदाकत या सच्चाई, the state of being exact or correct, enormous, बहुत बड़ा, extremely large, software, the programs used to operate a computer, prototype, नमूना, the first design of something from which other forms are copied or developed, transistor, आला, a small electronic device used in computers, radios, televisions, etc. for controlling an electric current as it passes along a circuit, innovation, ईजाद, जिद्दत, the introduction of new things, ideas or ways of doing something, handier, बआसानी दस्तरस में, easy to use or to do, navigation, जहाज़रानी, the skill or the process of planning or route for a ship or other vehicles and taking it there, the way that you move around a website or the internet when you are looking for information. Let's start paragraph comprehension. We have selected paragraph 7 from textbook lesson 4 on page 37. Many computers are connected to the internet these days. Internet is a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities. We can sit at home and be connected to the whole world by virtue of internet. You can perform many functions through internet sitting at home which were initially performed manually. It is a convenient way of making payments online for your utility bills and several other tasks. Internet has also opened door for social networking around the world. Through various search engines, you can browse websites of your interest for information and education. Question number 1. Information and education. Question number 1. What is internet? Internet is a global computer network. It provides a variety of information and communication facilities. You can be connected to it at home. You can perform many functions through it. Question number 2. How can we connect to the whole world by sitting at home? An internet is an electronic and digital network. Digital network, we can be connected to the whole world through it. We can perform many functions through the internet at home. Question number 3. Through which thing can you browse websites of your internet and get social network? Answer is through various search engines. We can browse websites of our interest. We can also search websites through smartphones and TV for information, education and entertainment. It has also opened doors for social networking around the world. Question number 4. Can you easily perform many functions through internet? Yes, we can easily perform many functions through internet. It is an easy way of making payments online for our utility bills and other tasks. Question number 5. Describe at least 2 benefits of internet. Answer is that Internet has made knowledge and education easy for us. It is an easy way of making payments online for our utility bills and several other tasks. It has also opened doors for social networking around the world. This is your activity. Take at least 2 paragraphs from this lesson and make 5 question answers in your practice copy. You will write this work and glossary in your notebook. Stay safe at home. God bless you.